I'm going to show you how you can set up your Wise account. Now from Wise, you just have to tap on register up here. Now once you register, let's just wait for it to load here. Now on here, you have to create your Wise account here, right? So first off, we will have to enter in our email address. For the sake of demonstrations, I'm going to use a temporary email address like this, but in real situation, please use your actual permanent email address. I'm going to tap on next after this. Now on here, you will have to check your email for you to be able to verify your account. I'm going to go to my burner email here and let's just wait for it to load here. Now you can see once it's loaded, you can see it'll look like this. Let's just tap on this. We'll have to confirm our email address. Now once we confirm our email address, tap on this to confirm our email address. Again, you should check for this message on your actual email account, right? I'm just checking it here because I'm using a burner account. Now you can see email confirmed. Now let's tap on continue to continue setting up our Wise account. Now on here, we will have to pick what kind of account we would like to open today, like a personal account or a business account. Right now, I'm only able to open a personal account. Now, where do you live most of the time? So pick on any which one of country you actually live on. So for example, there's Indonesia, Algeria, Argentina, things like that, right? If you live in Indonesia, then pick Indonesia. If you live in Australia, pick on Australia. I'm going to pick Australia and then let's tap on continue here. Now you can see this is what we can do with Wise in Australia. So we can send money abroad, send abroad with a card, hold and convert money, receive money, and earn a return. Let's tap on continue. Now on here, you will have to verify your coupon code and then you will have to do a two-factor authentication and then you'll have to do a password as well. Once that's done, you can just continue setting up with the Wise account by following the on-screen prompts.